Alright guys, here I got a cool Horng 16-inch stand fan from the early 1990s. Now, I purchased this yesterday from the Facebook Marketplace alongside another fan for $15. And these two fans, they're overall probably the best condition I've ever seen them in. They're practically almost brand new. Now, I've seen a lot of cool Horn fans, but in the form of windmere fans, but not something like this. Yeah, this has a gray blade, which is almost blue looking. Has this interesting badge design. I've never seen one like this one here. I have seen one of those on a Smash Things 1 video, which the Australian versions were branded Techno Air. But yeah, it's very interesting. It's very sturdy overall as well too. Has good tilting range. The lowest point, the highest point. Well, actually, it's still decent, but yeah, it's not much. But you know what I mean. Now, uh, this height adjustment, it is supposed to be a screw-on, but I guess it lost its original screw a long time ago. So yeah, they just placed the hex screw. So I had to use an Allen key in order to adjust this here. But yeah, let's take a quick look at the informations. See if we catch any. Um, okay, so there you are. It's a model STD-161. There's your serial number, and as you can see, it's made by Cool Horn. But I don't. There is no date code so far, so I'm not sure when this is exactly from. But I mainly assume it is from 1990. Okay, and I do see something. I don't know. These are deterioration marks. But yeah, I think this is starting to have some cracks in it. But it's not deeply entrenched yet, so that's a good thing right there. Now, the pitch of the blade is very steep. Just to take a quick glance at it, it's quite steep, to be honest. So let's see how the performance stacks up. So let's start with high. Has decent balance overall, but they pulled a Lasco on this one where, this time, no Lasco in the 1990s. They had these plastic clips on. This had those exact clips, and all of them broke off. So yeah, I had to help these up with bread ties. But the airflow is very powerful. It's not bad. I certainly see better, but this is pretty decent overall. Medium. Yeah, that medium speed is also powerful. It's making some noises in the motor. I think it's something with the bearings. So I might need to oil this afterwards. And also clean it, because I have not cleaned this yet. But yeah, it's not bad. The load. Okay, I don't know what that noise is, but it's starting to get annoying. Oh, that's nice and gentle, actually. And it seems to remain constant from a distance. The oscillation. Okay, seems to be also be having issues there. I think these bearings are dry. I don't think it has been oiled ever. I'm glad it's not locked up though. A lot of these fans, when they're used for a long time without oiling, they tend to lock up a lot. And if they're exposed to the sun a lot, they turn into this mess of powder. But I'm glad this is not turned into powder yet. Nor is it actually deteriorating. But yeah, I might need to fix whatever's making that buzzing noises in there. Yeah, that's not a really bad performance. That's very good. Also, another thing, I think the gearbox might be caked up with a whole bunch of grease. Because every time it swings to the right side, it seems to bog down. I don't know if you're able to hear it, but just let's take a listen to this real quick while it comes back. Yeah. Yeah, this is probably the only fan so far to have the same layout as the Holmes fan, so I might guess that after this was made, this is when Holmes started making fans. And yeah, overall, it's not terrible. Spin down seems good. Once again, I haven't oiled this nor serviced it fully, but yeah, that's not a very bad performance at all. So yeah, that's pretty much the spin down as you see there, and that performance was just incredible, to be honest. Now, of course, yeah, it's disappointing because the plastic clips are all broken, but it's not really that much of a big deal. And of course, it's a very good product. So that'll be it for the video. That's the cool Horng 16-inch stand fan model STD-161 from the early 1990s.